Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to improve your Airbnb. One is to have professional photos that go ahead and attract renters. Look at this. Let me show you my listing as well. I'll open this up. So you want to have professional photos, invest in professional photos that showcase your space in the best light, highlighting the unique features and capturing the attractive angles. Also, you want to go ahead and have a accurate and a detailed description. So let me show you mine. Look at this. It's very detailed, and you want to have a descriptive listing that includes all the essential details about your space, the amenities, the neighborhood, right? Highlight everything like that, local recommendations. Also, you need to have competitive pricing. So if I show you other pricings here, look at this. This one is competitive, very, very competitive in Denver. $50 a night, $52 a night. All right. Now here we go. We have a whole hotel room for $41 a night. Free cancellation. Look at the reviews. You see? So you want to research similar listings in your area to get a competitive price that attracts guests while still providing you with a profitable return. And also you need to have a list of amenities. Okay? You want to include a comprehensive list of amenities from basic necessities like, things like towels, washers, a washer, TV, air conditioning, right? And you can also have additional perks like toiletries, kitchenware, entertainment options. And also you want to go ahead and enable the instant book option. So let me show you here the filters, the instant book option. So basically, this allows guests to go ahead and book immediately, basically increasing the likelihood of bookings. And I must say this is what I tend to look for when I am booking, because I don't want to go through a whole hassle to book a property. Like I just come here, click on reserve, right? And you can just confirm and pay and get your booking done. Really easy and simple, right? And you need to also be responsive in terms of communication. We respond quickly to inquiries and messages from potential guests, right? Demonstrating professionalism, enthusiasm, and need to have cleanliness. Don't have clutter lying around like that. Like, look at my space. Everything is very neat, very clean, right? You want to maintain a high standard of cleanliness throughout your space, ensuring that the guests here have a positive experience. And you can go ahead and also add your personal touches, okay, to your space, unique elements to your space that basically reflect the local culture or provide a welcoming atmosphere, like, a welcome basket with local treats. And you want to make sure your guests are actually leaving great reviews. You want to actively encourage these guests to leave positive reviews. Look at these. These actually help a lot in terms of ranking as well, as they significantly impact and improve your listings visibility. Okay. So I hope this guide helped you out with that. And you can go ahead and implement these tips and tricks to basically go ahead and improve your Airbnb.